Alright guys, this is how to change the turn signal on a 2006 to 2011 Cadillac DTS. There's a few other videos that tell you to lower the bumper, which is extra work and you don't need to. And once you take something back, chances are it doesn't go back on right. I already did this one, so I'm changing the other one. It looks like it's worn, just so they're got the same life left. But there's 3 bolts. I did 1, 2, and another down there, 10 millimeter. Took the radiator cover off. As you can see, it's over there. Loosen the grill, and then I just moved the grill light and came from the top. As you see, it's out, and yeah, that saves time and shortcut.